Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a really simple and effortless party makeup look, and this is the final look that I'll be creating. Let's start with the makeup. The first thing that I'm gonna use is a primer. I'll be using Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel as a primer. What this will do is it will basically give a really smooth surface, so my foundation will go on easier. It will also give a more perfect look to my skin and will also help to make my makeup last longer. Once I have applied the primer, I will be applying foundation. I will be using Maybelline Fit Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade Warm Nude Beige. It is a really good foundation and it gives about medium coverage and the finish is quite nice. I am using my fingers to apply the foundation and I will be blending it with a sponge. So I have blended my foundation and it has evened out my skin quite a bit. It gives a slightly semi-matte finish. For concealing my dark spots, I will be using a panstick from Coloressence and my shade is Beige. I'll dab it directly on my spots and pimple marks with my finger. I'll also apply it under the eye to conceal my dark circles. Before moving on to the rest of the makeup, I'm just going to put on a really hydrating lip balm from Maybelline so that my lips are moisturized and prepared for the lipstick application. Next, I'll be using a bronzy golden colored eyeshadow as a base. On top of that, I'll be using the shade named Fit from my AD's Nude Volume 2 palette. It is a warm pink shade. Next, I am using a blending brush to even out and to give a smooth gradient to the eyeshadow in the crease. I'll be using a chocolatey brown shade from the same palette to fill up my brows. For below the brows, I'll be using a light shimmery shade from the same palette just to highlight and define my brows. I'm using the eyeliner from Lotus for lining my eyes. I'm defining my lower waterline with a chocolatey brown shade from the Nude palette. It's time for mascara now, and I love highlighting my lashes. I am using a Lakme Eyeconic curling mascara, and I'm using 2 coats of the mascara. I am using Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 38 for my lips. This is my current favorite for lipstick. It is a maroonish pink color that will suit any skin tone. Finally, I am setting my makeup with a compact from Maybelline. Next, I am using a blusher from Coloressence for highlighting my skin. I love putting bindi. It gives a proper traditional look. And this is the final look. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.